Welcome to today's review on Acer Predator Gaming Monitor X27U. This powerful QD-OLED gaming monitor blends speed, color, and precision beautifully. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this monitor at the best price in the market. Acer has always been known for delivering solid gaming hardware, and this Predator series display really shows how serious they are about competitive performance in 2026. The first thing that stands out immediately is the 26.5-inch WQHD 2560x1440 resolution QD-OLED panel, and honestly, once you see it in person, it is hard to go back to traditional LCD. The Quantum.OLED technology delivers deep, true blacks because each pixel lights itself independently, which means contrast is absolutely stunning. Dark scenes in games look rich and detailed instead of washed-out gray, and bright highlights pop in a way that feels almost cinematic. Colors look incredibly vibrant thanks to DCI-P3 99% coverage and true 10-bit support. So whether you are gaming, watching movies, or doing creative work, everything feels accurate and alive. HDR10 support adds another layer of realism, especially in supported titles where lighting effects and reflections really stand out. Now let's talk about speed because this monitor is built for serious gamers. With a 240Hz refresh rate, motion looks extremely fluid, and fast-paced games feel incredibly responsive. Pair that with the insane 0.03 milliseconds gray-to-gray response time, and you get virtually no ghosting or motion blur, even during intense action scenes. Competitive shooters, racing games, and esports titles feel sharp and precise, which can genuinely give you an edge when reaction time matters. AMD FreeSync Premium support ensures that your graphics card and monitor stay in sync, eliminating screen tearing and reducing stutter, so gameplay feels smooth and consistent. That smoothness is not just something you see, it is something you feel while playing, and it makes long sessions more enjoyable and less tiring on the eyes. The 16:9 aspect ratio combined with the 26.5-inch size is actually considered a sweet spot for esports tournaments because it keeps everything directly in your field of view without forcing you to move your head around too much. The ZeroFrame design trims down the bezels, giving you a more immersive look and making multi-monitor setups cleaner if you ever decide to expand. The matte screen surface helps reduce glare and reflections, which is especially useful if your room has strong lighting or windows nearby. Build quality feels premium and solid, and the stand offers tilt, height adjustment, pivot, and swivel, so you can customize the positioning exactly how you want it. That ergonomic flexibility is important for comfort, especially during long gaming or work sessions. On the connectivity side, you get two DisplayPort 1.4 ports and two HDMI 2.1 ports, which is fantastic because HDMI 2.1 allows you to fully take advantage of high refresh rates with modern consoles and GPUs. Whether you are connecting a high-end gaming PC or the latest console, you are covered. Switching between devices is simple, and having multiple ports means you do not have to constantly plug and unplug cables. One concern many people have with OLED panels is image retention, but Acer has included image retention refresh features to help reduce the risk of burn-in, which adds peace of mind. Of course, like any product, this monitor is not perfect. OLED panels can sometimes be more expensive than traditional LCD monitors, and while this one offers a significant discount compared to its list price, it is still an investment. Brightness in very bright rooms might not match some high-end mini LED displays, especially if you rely on extremely high peak brightness for HDR highlights. Also, if you mainly use your monitor for static content like spreadsheets or news tickers all day, OLED might require a bit more care compared to IPS panels. That said, for gaming and entertainment, the visual quality is on another level. The combination of 240Hz and 0.03 milliseconds response time makes it feel incredibly fast, and the QD-OLED panel makes everything look stunning. It is rare to find a monitor that balances speed and image quality this well. The Predator styling is clean and modern without being overly aggressive, so it fits nicely into both gaming setups and professional desks. For creators who edit photos or videos, the wide color gamut and accurate color reproduction are big advantages. For competitive players, the smoothness and responsiveness are the real stars of the show. And for casual gamers, the immersive contrast and vibrant colors simply make games more enjoyable. Considering the current pricing and the savings available, it feels like a strong value for a QD-OLED 240Hz display. Knowing that over 100 people bought it recently, and that it holds a solid rating also adds confidence. At this price point, you are getting premium panel technology, esports-level speed, modern connectivity, and a fully adjustable stand in one package. That is not something you see every day. Overall, the Acer Predator X27U W1bmiipprx is a monitor that genuinely delivers on its promises. It offers breathtaking contrast, vibrant cinematic colors, ultra-smooth motion, and practical ergonomic features in a well-built design. It does have minor trade-offs like any OLED panel, but the advantages clearly outweigh the downsides for most gamers. If you want a display that feels like a real upgrade and not just a small step forward, this is definitely worth serious consideration. Make sure to check the link in the description below to see the latest price and current deals, because getting this level of QD-OLED performance at a discounted rate is something you do not want to miss.